Hello everyone, so today we are going to see how we can update or delete any resume from our LinkedIn profile. So let's go. So now we are on my LinkedIn profile, and now you have to go to your profile and then select settings and privacy. So after that you have to go to data privacy, and then when you scroll down you will find job application settings. From here you will find all the resumes that you have uploaded to LinkedIn in the past. So see, I've checked it today and it is showing today's date, but you can delete it if you have resumes from the past, and you can upload the fresh resume here. So yeah, that's done. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if yes, then give a thumbs up and give a like, and also subscribe this channel to have more content like this. Thank you.